Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to search for jobs on Facebook. So if you are jobless and if you want a new job, then Facebook is a very big marketplace where you can basically search million of jobs. So before starting the video, I want you guys to watch this video until the very end and make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open up Facebook on your Android and iOS, and the best method to find jobs on Facebook is to join jobs related groups on Facebook. So let's suppose that if you are a freelancer and if you are searching for some freelance work, then you have to join the groups that are related to freelancing. Okay, so if I tap on my profile picture at the top right here, and if I go into the groups here, you can see that most of my groups are like freelancing groups because I am a freelancer. Okay, so what I will do is, like, let's suppose that if I wanted to get a job on any freelancing type job, then I will basically open up the freelancing group. And now if I just go down here, you can see that the first job, I need 95 active members for a new project. Okay, so now if you are interested in this job, okay, then you have to comment the yes, reply yes to be added. Okay, now if you go down here it says that graphic designer needed. Okay, and then if you go here, okay, hello, urgently looking for a graphic design to hire for a job. Okay, so you get my point that in order to find a job on Facebook, you need to follow some job related groups and pages on Facebook. Okay, and then you need to check those pages and those groups on daily basis because there are daily posting in those pages and groups. Okay, and when if you find a relevant job according to your skills, just apply for that job and hopefully you will get a job. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this one, and I will meet you in the next video.